Are you tired of 9 to 5 grind? Do you want to make money online and live the life you always dreamed of? If so, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you 5 ideas to make money online that can earn you 6 figures. These ideas are proven and effective, and they are all within reach of anyone who's willing to put in the work. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking that making 6 figures online is impossible, but it's not. I know how people are doing it right now, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. But before I get into these 5 ideas, let me just say this. Making money online takes hard work and dedication. It's not a get rich quick scheme, but if you're willing to put in the work and give it time, then it's definitely possible to achieve your financial goals. E-commerce store is an online platform where you can sell products to customers from all over the world. Unlike a physical store, you don't need a brick and mortar location. Instead, you will operate your business entirely online. E-commerce has grown exponentially in recent years, providing incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs like you to tap into the global market and generate income. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce allows you to list your products, whether it's physical products or it is digital product. I suggest you to upload a digital product so that you don't have any burdens to generate it for sales. How it works. Suppose you list a digital product on any of these platforms at a cost price of $100. Now on every sale, these sites cut their commission because they bring buyers to your product. And these type of platforms have an average commission rate is in between 10% to 15%. So if someone buys your product, you will get something about $85 to $90 for a $100 product. And if you sell to 1,000 people, then your revenue will be $85,000 to $90,000. And selling 1,000 customers is nothing if any of your product rank in the search. I think this number is appealing to you now, but I suggest doing research before getting into it. You can ask me to make a separate video on this topic too. Online course creation involves designing and producing educational content on a specific subject and delivering it to a global audience through digital platforms. These courses can cover a wide range of topics from academic subjects to professional skills, hobbies, and personal development. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific offer user-friendly interfaces to upload and manage your course content. These platforms also handle payment processing and course delivery, and you can upload variety of courses on different topics like business, software, graphics, personal development, and even academics. But why I'm suggesting this? So right now I'm on Udemy, and it is also a search engine like Google and YouTube where you get courses instead of articles and videos. Now let me show you how much you can earn once your course is ranked in Udemy search. Because my channel also covers business, so I will search for business strategy to know how much course creators are earning from this keyword. So let me pick this. And as you can see, this course has been sold to 97,862 students on Udemy since the date it was uploaded. This means this course has earned $3,769,248 till now, and the creators has received $3,392,324 as Udemy commission rate is around 10% of the income. I think this is appealing to you now, but I suggest doing research before getting into it. Blogging involves creating and publishing content on a specific topic on a regular basis. These blog posts can be informative, educational, entertaining, or a combination of all three. Blogs can cover virtually any subject from travel and lifestyle to tech, health, and personal development. It has evolved into a powerful platform that not only allows you to share your passion and knowledge, but also present opportunities for generating income. There are two major sources to earn from blogging. First one is ad revenue, where you can get approx $50 for per 1,000 views. And the second one is sponsorship, where you can promote brands products on your page for money. How it is beneficial. Suppose I start a blogging where I upload investment related contents like tips, strategies, and updates. And as you know how big the investing audience is, and every day we easily get updates in this field, so I tackle two major things. Now let's say I upload one blog per day, and every blog gets an average of 35,000 page views, so my total page views are around 1 million in 1 month. Now for 1 million views, I will get $50,000. And believe me, once the Google algorithm start pushing your content, then this money is nothing in front of it. YouTube is a video sharing platform where you get paid for uploading videos, and as you know, YouTubers get paid according to their views every month. It is the second largest search engine after Google, so you might think that you will find all kinds of people who can consume different type of content as long as it doesn't go against the YouTube community guidelines. This is the first place in our video where some criteria are required to get paid, and the criteria is that you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your YouTube channel. How much it can pay. Different topics have different RPM on YouTube. Finance and investing have the highest, while cooking and food have the lowest. Let's take a YouTube channel to know how much we can get per 1000 views. Brightside is perfect. Now we use socialblade.com to know Brightside's last month revenue and views. As you see, Brightside got 29 million views and earned $117,000 in the last 30 days. Now when you calculate the views and earnings to find the pay per 1000 views, it comes out around $4. Means you can generate $1000 in a month if you get 25 million views per month. As well as you will get fame on YouTube. Print on demand is a business model and printing technology that allows individuals and companies to create and sell custom merchandise without the need to maintain inventory or upfront production cost. Here's how print on demand process generally works. The print on demand process involves creator designing and listing their custom products on online platforms equipped with production facilities. When customers order these products, the platform handles production, printing the design onto the chosen item, packaging, and shipping it directly to the customer. This approach eliminates the need for creators to hold inventory, enabling them to focus on design and marketing while offering personalized products without upfront costs or logistical complexities. How you can do it too. This may be new to you, so let me tell you a legitimate platform. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand platform that allows individual and business to create and sell custom designed apparel and merchandise on Amazon Marketplace. Customer places an order for a custom designed product, Amazon system processes the order details, Amazon production facility prints the chosen item onto the selected products using high quality printing methods. The finished product is then packaged and shipped directly to the customer. Also, creators set the price for their products and the base cost of production and shipping is deducted. The difference is the royalty earned by the creator for each sale, because the creator has only to design t-shirts while inventory, production and everything is managed by Amazon. Let me show you the royalty you get for every sale. So for t-shirt price of $15 to $20, you will get royalty around $7. For t-shirt price of $20 to $23, you will get royalty around $9. For t-shirt price of $23 to $26, you will get royalty around $10. And for t-shirt price of $26 or higher, you will get royalty of $12. Well, as you know how big Amazon user base is and how profitable it can be for you, all you have to do is to design merch and earn income. To earn 1 million, you have to design merch perfectly so that Amazon can sell 100,000 pieces of it. It is not easy, but not so difficult if your merch rank in Amazon search. As I said, I know some people who are earning online, and this shows the saturation of the market of making money online. It is so saturated that you have to give it time and effort in order to be successful. There are some of my advice for those who want to start any of these online businesses. Create quality content. It helps you to succeed as soon as possible. Be consistent. It helps you to keep being relevant towards algorithm. Be patient. Believe in yourself and don't stop, otherwise your past hard work will be in vain. Now do me a favor, like this video and subscribe if you're interested in business strategy, finance and self-development.